This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule posts in WordPress. As you can see here, I have a new post and it's called Scheduled. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to add a new post. And I'm just going to give it a name here. Alright, so after you build out your post, however you do that, whether it's in your editor, etc., make it how you want to make it. Then you could go over here to Publish. And you're going to see a few things. You're going to see visibility, publish, and suggestions. So if I hit this drop-down menu, I'm going to see the option to change the date as well as the time to when I want to publish this post. Say I want to change it to September, and I want to change the time to AM instead of PM. You can also do this through the calendar if I want to change the date to the 11th instead. And then you would simply hit Schedule. And now you can see, if we go back to posts, we're going to see scheduled by the name. So if you went into Quick Edit, you could also change, if you wanted to change the date, you can change it from here. And then you can also change, if you want to make it published immediately, you would hit Publish and then you would hit Update. Okay? So that's how you make scheduled posts in WordPress. Hope that helps and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.